We use have while there is I. We will use has, he, she, and it. We use have in we, you, they. We use am in I. If there is he, she, it, we use is. If there is you, we, they, we use are. If there is was, then we use I. If there is was, then we use he, she, it. If there is where, then we use we, you, they. If there is shall or will, we use I. If there is will, then we use he, she, or it. If there is will, then we use we, you, they. So here is pop quiz. You dash you there yesterday. What will be the answer? Option A where, option B was, and option C will. Comment down below what will be the answer. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.